Good morning. Today I'm going to make this real short video just to show you what we've been up to here during this COVID stuff. We just became a RoyPow lithium battery dealer, and we're kind of excited about that because lithium is definitely the future. So we just got our first delivery yesterday of last week, I'm sorry, of our RoyPow lithium batteries. And there you can see, there's our first pallet of them right there with all the tons of literature from RoyPow. Seems like these are the way to go. We tried for a while with the allied stuff, and we're not happy with that stuff. So we've been playing around with the RoyPow stuff and finally decided to become a dealer. Let me show you. We've got one here that we installed in an RXV. This is the unit. Fits in there real nice. It's very clean. There's the charger. So what we're getting ready to do, just for the experience, so we got that. We've got units for Yamahas, club car Presidents and DS's, and for also RXVs. But if you have an early precedent with, like this one, with the electronics in the middle instead of all in this back plate, there's an issue because those units will not fit in this cart. So I'm going to make a video on how to put one of those units into this golf cart. Not sure how we're going to do it yet, because all of this electronics has to be moved or relocated to make room to get the entire pack in here. Okay? So I will make a video on that, but I just wanted to get this out there to just let you know we're still here. I'm still alive, and just been working in the shop and buying and selling golf carts. And the other thing is, now that I'm a RoyPow dealer, you can buy these from me direct. I'll be glad to ship them to you. They have 36 volt and 48 volt units. I'm not going to go into a big sales pitch here, but if you are interested and want to put one in yourself, they're very simple, unless you get into the situation I'm about to jump into. But they're very easy to install, very clean, and just text me or email me if you're interested, if you're looking to buy one, and we'll take care of you there. So anyway, just wanted to make this quick video and let you know what we're up to and what the next video is going to be. Okay, so thank you. Keep the comments coming on the YouTube channel. I love it, and I'm starting to spend more time answering questions on the emails and texts than I am working, but that's fine. I'm glad to do it. So Wayne's Golf Carts, thank you. Subscribe if you haven't, and send me something if you want to know how to do something on electric golf carts, preferably either club cars or easy goes. Okay? See you.